How do you keep battery welding clean and stable while maintaining weld quality? Let's find out. In battery welding, extraction plays a critical role in maintaining a clean and stable weld environment. By capturing fumes and fine metallic particles directly at the source, it prevents airborne contaminants from settling on sensitive components such as cell, tabs, and bus bars. Without proper extraction, contamination can accumulate on surfaces and in the weld area, leading to inconsistent weld penetration, porosity, and reduced joint quality. Smoke and particles can also interfere with laser energy delivery, affecting process stability and repeatability, two key factors in battery manufacturing. So the challenge is clear. How do you remove fumes and particles at the source without affecting the weld? When extraction is properly integrated into the process, positioned close to the weld zone, balanced to avoid disturbing shielding gas or the melt pool, and synchronized with production, it ensures a clean environment without compromising weld performance. For long-term stability and minimal maintenance, integrating self-cleaning station into the machine is essential. Automated cleaning keeps clamping tools free of debris between modules, preventing buildup on the tips without interrupting production. This ensures consistent clamping force and precise gap control for reliable weld quality. The results are improved weld consistency, reduced defects, longer equipment lifespan, and a safer, more reliable production process. For more info, click the link in the description.